Tired of the back and forth of scheduling meetings, with Calendly you can streamline your booking process and save valuable time. This powerful tool lets you effortlessly set up appointment that works for everyone involved. Say goodbye to scheduling chaos and hello to productivity. Let's dive in and unlock the magic of Calendly. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Calendly.com. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Calendly.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Calendly is an online scheduling tool that makes booking meetings easy and efficient. It allows users to set their availability and share links for others to choose convenient times. With automated reminders and calendar integrations, it streamlines the scheduling process. Say goodbye to email back and forth and hello to hassle-free planning. You have just to open your browser and dive into calendly.com and you'll find this page as you can see. So what you have to do right now is just click over sign up and you with Google or with Microsoft, or you can use option of sign up free with email and you will find other page which is this one. But before, let's start discovering the pricing of this platform which is Calendly. So we have it for packages as you can see. The first one is absolutely for free for individuals starting out with basic scheduling. We have firstly here the free features such as a limited one-on-one meeting, one event type, connect one of your calendars, integrate video conferencing, customize your booking page, send confirmation emails. Then we have embed schedule on your site, mobile application, and browser extension. Then we have the second page, which is standard, as you can see. For those with more sophisticated scheduling needs, you have to pay $10 per month, and you have just to click over get started, and you have just to read these features to more understand if it's more comfortable for you. Then we have here the third packet, which is themes. We have for themes who need advanced features such as reporting, meeting, distribution, and automation. You have to pay $16 per month. You have just to try for free like that. And here we have the features, and you can also choose it if it's comfortable for you. Then we have the last one, which is enterprise for teams who need more security, admin control, support, and enterprise with procurement. Right? You just pay $50,000 per year, and you get started by just reading these team features and you talk to the sales to select this enterprise. You have just to scroll down and you choose the one you think it's more better for you or more comfortable for you. So for example, I will select get started and it's the thing that I will use because I will sign up for free with email as I said or as I mentioned. And then you will find other page what is this one. Here we have sign up for free Calendly account. Here we have always free, no credit card required. You have just to enter your email address and you click over sign up. Then you'll find other page which is this one as you can see. So here you have just to add your email address, your full name, your password. Here we have at least 8 characters and you click over continue. Then you'll find other page which is this one. Here we have before continuing, we need to verify your email address. Please check your inbox for a confirmation link. Alright, then you'll find this page we have it before continuing to verify your email address. So you have just to go to the Gmail and you will just receive an email from Calendly and you have just to click over it and then you find a confirmation. Then you click over confirmation or you can just click over the link to get started and you have to add a password and you get started with my Calendly and the dashboard it's look like that. So if you don't receive it or if you don't receive it, sorry, you have just to click over send it to me again and you will receive an email from Calendly. Then you get started with this platform. So here we have it calendly.com and we have here several things that we have to do to know. So firstly we have in the right how you can get started. We have here 4 steps. The first one which is get to know Calendly first. We have to get let Calendly make your scheduling breezy with event types, streamline your workday by automating meeting preparation and follow-ups, integrating with your favorite tools and much more. You have just to click over here and you get started by watching this video first and then you have just a new user guide here if you want. So we will have see help articles as you can see. Then we have here the second one which is the perfect scheduling setup. Get started by creating our most common event type, the one-on-one, set your event details and connect your preferred video conferencing tool. You have just to customize and show your first event type, download Chrome extension. Alright, then we have here other one which is automate meeting preparation and follow-up. Improve your work routine with automated meeting communication tool and service integrations and a browser extension. Alright, just to send reminders and follow-ups. Connect to tools you use every day to boost productivity. You can also watch this video. Alright, and we have the last one, which is using Calendly with a team. About this one, you have just to learn about the features users will have access to and the settings admins can use to improve scheduling for your organization. Now, firstly, add teammates to start scheduling collaboratively, streamline scheduling for the team, manage secure settings for the team, and you have just to watch this video to understand. All right. So this is how you can get started, and you're left to find here other things like we have how you can create event types, meetings, availability, contacts, workflows, integrations and application, routine. Then we have other things. Also, if you select here event types, you will find these pages. You can see here we have my link. You have just to share it if you want. You have just to copy the link and you share it with your friends and you get started. You can also invite user here. You can just enter email separate by comment, you send invite and you get started with this one and you start meeting with your friends and other things. Then we have here also the option of create. For example, if you want to create a new template for your regularly scheduled event, you will just click over event type and you will find, for example, the first one-on-one one host with one invite. Create a one-on-one event type for yourself on behalf of another user. I will select here the host, then I will click over next and you will find other page, which is this one. You have just to select the color of yours. For example, we select the color that you are. For example, this is yellow. Then you will just name your event, my event, for example. Then I will just write test. Then I will select duration as well. Then I will select here visit Zoom, phone call, in person that we will meet. For example, I will select Zoom. Then I will click over continue and you get started with this one. Alright. So this is it. As you can see, then you will select here other things like notification workflows, booking page options, schedule and settings, then we have host and invites, event details, and you select the date also. For example, this date, and you click over continue and you get started and you share it if you want. All right, then we have also here if you want to, for example, one-on-one meeting. About this one, you find here the calendar. You can just select the day you are available and you click over next and you get started with this one. All right, then we have here the last one, which is meeting pool. As you can see, just to do the same and you click over next and you'll find other page. Then you continue and you start meeting with your friends or your co-workers, your colleagues, your students, your teachers, and this is it how it works with Calendly. You can just get started as soon as possible. It's very helpful to use it, and let's get started as I did by following these steps. Alright, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.